Hey guys, it's Carly here on Singing Saturday, and today I will be singing Flightless Bird, American Mouth by Iron and Wine, and I don't have any music with it, but I'm going to try it, so here we go. I was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for coins, all of their street light eyes wide on my plastic toys. And when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair, stole me a dog-eared map, called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping, or have I lost you, American mouth, big pill, blooming. Now I'm a fat house cat nursing my sore blonde tongue, watching the warm poison rats curl through the fences cracks, pissing on magazine photos, those fishing lures, bringing the cold and clean blood of Christ's mountain stream. Have I found you, flightless bird, grounded, pleading, or have I lost you, American mouth, big pill, blue or big pill, stuck going down. Okay, so there you go, guys. Sorry that I messed up, but yeah.